Hi, and welcome to Hands-On Education. This video is about travelling in the 15th century. How did Christopher Columbus travel on his journey west in 1492? Did he travel by car, by submarine, by ship, or by aeroplane? There were no aeroplanes, submarines, or cars at this time. Columbus travelled by ship on all his journeys west. All journeys across the water were undertaken by ships in the 15th century. Sometimes these journeys could take a long time. Columbus took 3 ships for his first expedition: the Santa Maria, the Pinta, and the Nina. The ships were second-hand and quite small for the voyage across the Atlantic Ocean. The Santa Maria was the largest of the 3 ships. It was a nao. It had 3 masts and was shaped like a tub in order to carry cargo. The Pinta and the Nina were caravels. They were small and shallow, which allowed them to travel along the coastlines. Unfortunately, the Santa Maria did not return to Spain and had to be abandoned after running aground. Ships at this time were powered by the wind in their sails. On average, ships would travel at a speed of 8 knots. A good distance would be to travel 90 miles in one day. Ships were handmade from wood and timber. For your hands-on activity, create your own wooden boats with a sail and then check to see if they can float. For more information about this activity and more activities related to Christopher Columbus, please go to handsoneducation.com. Year 1, Columbus. I hope you enjoyed making your own wooden boat and sail. Please like and subscribe, and we will see you soon. Bye!